Okay, guys. Oh, no, wait. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing makeup. Oh, no, straight in. Whoa. Not very family friendly. Funny, is it? Okay, rub that on the cheeks, bit on the head. Yeah, didn't get much on the head, but it's okay. We'll just keep going. Lovely stuff. Rub that in. Oh yeah, get my face nice and moist. Beautiful. Moving on to the thing that goes there. Face paste, I like to call that. Here we're using a brush made from the finest horsehair in Gratalia. Yes, that's it. Blend it, girl. Blend it. Blend it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, that's it. Pucker up. Yeah. This is a magic trick. Hey. Oh. Hey. Okay, so this goes under the eyes. Not sure what for. Bit on the head as well. We're enjoying it. We're not sure what it does. Now we're using another brush, also made from the same horse mentioned earlier. Just a little blendage. Really bringing out the features here. Fantastic stuff. Yeah, that's it. Get it in there. And now we're brightening up with some essence. Just a bit of powder. Yes, that's it. Get it on there. Lovely. Now we're bronzing. We're going bronze. We don't like our original colour. Okay, here we go. Lovely. That's right. It really brings out the cheeks, the cheekbones. And the head bones. I don't know. We missed a cheek. More cheek stuff. Lovely. Okay. A different brush every time. Multiple use. Now some glitter. Oh, she likes it. You good, girl? A bit on the nose, yeah. You got to brighten up the snoz, haven't you? And now it's time for the brows. Brows on fleek. This is very important. You do not want to mess this up. You go out with a wonky brow. No good, no good. So we're just finishing touches. I don't know about that. It's gone out of line there. Bless you, I guess. Pollen from the flower. Okay, so I'm not sure what's happening here. We don't like our eyelids, or I have no idea what's happening right now. Hey, it's me. Hey. Perfect timing. Okay, moving on. Right, we'll go up. Focus. Yes, that's it. Touch up those lines. Those lines are really important if you want to look beautiful in the modern age. I often think about doing those myself. Oh, time for lashes. Now, I always say, don't put these lashes on. They look ridiculous. Ladies, if you're out there, just embrace your own lashes. No need for this. Look at it. What? You look like a camel now. You know, you're not going out in the desert. You're just going out downtown or to the shop. Anyway, she likes it, so she looks beautiful. Well done. Well, I don't know about that one. It's hanging off. That's alright. Quick fix. Yeah, perfect. Quick check in the phone. The mirror's not good enough. Now we've got some lip liner. Yes, is it actually lip? It is lip liner, yes. Right, nice, yeah, that's right. Get it on there. Now you want to get this right, because you don't want to come out with a wonky pair of lips. You come out looking like Pete Burns. You know who he is. I don't know about that top line. Okay, it's evened up now. Nice, yeah. Oh, mwah. And now some is that lipstick? Lipstick on a brush? I have no idea that you could put lipstick on with a brush. I thought it would come out of a little swivel thing. You swivel it up, pucker up, bish bang. And I guess there we have it. Absolutely gorgeous. Bye guys. Thanks for coming. Subscribe to my channel. Charlie.makeupx.